uneenany'a muvyu niwakusiiwa Kavindani ka kikalo kimwana cha Maseneta cha kuneenanisya mutalatala wa uaan'ya wa mbesa Sya Kaundi nthini wa mwaka ukite wa Silikali nthini wa bajeti ikimanza Silingi bilioni $400 imwe nisyo ivathiwe kuaaaniw'a Silikali Sya Kaundi vala Maseneta makulya Silikali nene yikiithye kana mauthukumi onthe ala matiukiwe kikatiba ni manengwa Ilovia Sya uthukumi na Ilovia Sya Kaundi Inenganawae ite Kuselewa. Mwandiki wa muvyu kuma musini wa Ilovia Benjamin Mwaka etwelesya mbeange.
Bunge ya Senate kwa mwonde ni avitukithya kimanza cha Silingi bilioni $400 imwe kila kithwa kithianiwa Silikali Sya Kaundi kuungamia uthukumi Silikali ne nthini wa budget ukite nthini wa kikalo kimwana kwa mwonde Maseneta ni makathi ya kuongeleka kwa Ilovia vala mathingilela vatu wa Silikali nene kutiucha mauthukumi onthe ma county na mathiati sya mbesa sya mauthukumiano.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the formula takes into account the following parameters contained in the third basis formula: population 18%, health index 17%, agriculture index 10%, urban index 5%, poverty index 14%, land area index 8%, roads index 8%, and basic share index 20%.
It is okay today that we have come from recess to appropriate money to our counties. It should be okay when next week or the week after we go to those counties to find out how this money that we have sent to the counties is being utilized without there being any problem between senators and governors.
Senator wa Makueni Dan Manzo, Agnes Kavindua muthamu wa kaunti ya Masako na Enoch Kiyombe wa kaunti ya Kitui ni maweta vayingwa kitumio na mauthukumi elima vata uemi na sekta ya witi maende kutongwe kuma Silikali ni akati kwa kuvikia umunthi mauthukumi alao the maileitha moko ni mama governor.
I see the county of Kitui, Mr. Speaker, is among the top 10 counties that are receiving quite some share of the equitable share from the Senate. And as a national government appropriates for national government, the Senate is appropriating for counties.
The biggest problem, Mr. Speaker, has been health and agriculture. A lot of functions are still held at the national level, Mr. Speaker. And for that purpose, Mr. Speaker, it is important that we encourage the government to fully devolve agriculture and health.
The counties are paying the doctors, they are paying many other things and buying the medications and building new hospitals here and there, and yet the funds are not enough. And so I request the national government to devolve more funds on health and agriculture.
Kwa wasi wa Maseneta nimeenda Ilovia Sya wa Silikali Sya Kaundi itiukwe ite Kuselewa nongana kuikithya mauthukumi ma budget sya Silikali sya mitiuko maina kwama.
We have a treasury in Kenya that is only serving the purposes of the national government and nothing else. They don't listen when we make the necessary noise for counties to receive their monies on time. When we pass the schedules here, they don't listen.
My county of Nairobi is getting an additional 850 million shillings in terms of their equitable share of revenue. And I will later be bringing a proposal here, Honorable Chair, that I'll be making an amendment to the Sports Act. I want to propose that these counties must be forced to allocate at least 1% of the money that we send to them for the support of registered county sporting associations. And my governor will have no excuse because now I have given him an additional 850 million.
Na kuangaliko yake mwendino wa mwende kivila zamani ya mbunge ya Senate ya kinandu Seneta Mwolote Mwandu Tabitha Mutinda Kwenda Silikali Sya Kaundi inenga mustali wambe kuyo mathie yani pending bills vala oingi county sya kulyosikase nthino kolanywa kotwa musi yani on source revenue nokana kuendesya maendeleo vate kuvingisika.
What I want to urge the different county governments is to focus not only on development, but also on the animal called the pending bills animal, Mr. Speaker. This has been there for the longest. Our people are suffering. We have given monies to the counties. Governors are not paying. They are playing politics.
I saw Governor Kangata sharing an idea on how they've collected a lot of money in Murang'a County as own source revenue, and request our county chiefs to also look at that in as much as national government is sending money to counties, let them beef up on their own sources of revenue so that we supplement those efforts collectively and steer this nation forward.
Vilingi wa mauvu kumava kauntini ya Ilovia Sya nita wa Benjamin na mwaka.